up, everyone? Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here again on a lovely Tuesday. This is a lovely Tuesday. This show is sponsored by, This show is sponsored by Market Cypher. Oh my gosh, what happened to my hat? Did I mess this up? I think it's because I had it folded. My bad. Disrespect to the Market Cypher hat. Market Cypher, check it out. Been hearing a lot of good things again from you guys about Market Cypher. If you guys are here and you're enjoying the 10,000 subscriber party, make sure you smash that like, subscribe, share the stream out with friends, and say hello into the chat. We're going to get after it today. Friends, my hair is crazy today. I might have to keep the hat on the whole time. But I want to say hi to everybody. We got John Jermaine. Yes, Zesty 10K. We got absolutely after it yesterday. So thank you everyone that was here yesterday and that was really just pumping the stream. That was absolutely insane. We still have a goal, you know. We would love to have 100 viewers and 100 people liking this stream, if that's possible. So, friends, if you can, again, smash those likes, comment in the chat, and share the stream out. The more we interact with the stream here on YouTube and over there on TikTok, the more people will join in and be able to hear all about cryptocurrency, what's going on here. So, John Jermaine, again, thank you for coming. We got Randy, Colin, Rusty Bot, Jim, nice to see you from Belgium with the chocolate in the beer. Nice to see you all. We also have Andrew Cameron from Canada. It's nice to see you. We got Crypt 8 Boy. Welcome. Thank you for coming, friends. I really do appreciate it. Mike.
Congrats on 10K. Network bits and chump change get wrecked.
Mike, thank you so much. I appreciate your $20 super chat. Thank you for the congratulations on the 10K and network bits and chump change. I don't think they should get wrecked, but I know you're trying to beef over super chat, so it's okay. It's all right. But thank you again. Much love to you. Thank you for coming. Retro Mike at it again. I can't believe what you did yesterday. You and network bits and chump change had me crying. Oh my gosh, I have a hat. Thank you so much, Applesauce. That was so dope. I literally love those things. We have 142 people on TikTok. Again, friends, if you want to talk crypto, head over to youtube.com/MissTeenCrypto. Crypto Billy, nice to see you. Aw, so many friends here. Ilya, nice to see you. Wow. Hola. We got Randy A in the chat. Hey, Randi Hipper in the house, GM. Congrats on all the new subs. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Again, Retro Mike is here. We got King Flores. Try to stream it on Twitter as well. We are currently streaming on Twitter, friend, at @MissTeenCrypto. Flat Smack, nice to see you. Chris Hanley, first time here. Well, welcome to the show. I'm so happy to see you, fam. Love first timers. Nice to see you. Listen, man, this is a show full of zest, love, and the crypto. Network Bits Crypto is in the chat. Did you see Retro Mike told you to get wrecked already, bro? Hope you're doing well and welcome to the show. Mr. S, you feel like 100 emoji today? Well, then smash those likes and get zesty in the chat. Nice to see you. Welcome to the show. We got Meninja too. Nice to see you, Meninja. We got Mark Lamarck, Dustin, Frank, Billy. Stop.
Can I join the party? Congrats, Randy. Much love.
Oh my God, Billy, a $50 super chat? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is insane. Billy, thank you so much. You joined the party. You're 100% partying. If you saw the little Bitcoin animation that went up. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. This is a 10,000 subscriber party right now. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I'm getting emotional already. I cried a lot yesterday. I literally walked away from my desk after yesterday's stream holding a black little tissue because of my mascara. Was a little emotional. Chris Hanley, thank you for being in the chat and subscribing to the channel. I appreciate you. Oh, Robo, Inu, thank you for your rose. That's so sweet. Ken's Log, welcome to the show. Lee, Monday Fight. Oh, Money Fight. I thought you said Monday Fight. I was like, what? Who's fighting what? I got scared there. Aaron, nice to see you. Ken's Log, I think I already said hello. You're awesome, Ken's Log, by the way. Frank, thank you for coming again. Guys, we have stuff. We have stuff. Oh, we have Rud Putz. Nice to see you as well. I don't think I said hello to you yet. Friends, I can't believe how we already started off the show at $20 and a $50 super chat. I am so shocked already. But again, friends, make sure you smash those likes, share this stream out. We have, again, a goal of hitting 100 likes. Friends, I am so happy We crossed 10,000 subscribers yesterday. This is a 10,000 subscriber party. And we all worked so hard for this. And we do this as a community. And I'm happy to have a great community like you guys to be here for me and just really just pumped all this stuff up. This was absolutely crazy. And I know all the mining fam came in yesterday from Chump Change as well. So thank you again for joining me. Thank you again for being a part of this journey. I do appreciate every single person that is here and every single person that is watching. Friends, we're going to get into the news. We're going to get into the nitty gritties here. So let me set up for that. Oh, hi, MK. Welcome to the show. Nice to see you. All right, friends, let's get into Oh, Chump Change, you're here. Thank you for all your love yesterday, man. I know I said it to you like 3 times over like different comments on YouTube, but I do mean it. Thank you so much. Much love to you and your community. Okay. We always start off with the charts, a market recap. As you guys could see at the bottom of my screen, there was an ad along with Market Cypher B. If you guys want to check out Market Cypher, again, here it is in the live chat. You could use code MISTEAMCrypto for 20% off. And we know the deal. So we're going to make this a little bigger so we could see the price action going on here. Today we have Bitcoin at $23,476.42, down 0.04%. So really not much movement going on in the past 24 hours. As you can see, literally, we are just having a beef right now. We drew out this larger range, right? Because it just seems like, again, that was kind of the range that Bitcoin was trading at. We broke above that range a little bit and hit around the 25K mark, but we couldn't close above it. Our highest close was around 24,846, slipped below that range, and we had a mini range that we drew, right? And we dipped below. We had the lowest close at, I believe, 23,162. We saw a dip with a wick down to 22,528 around. Friends, this is not something I wanted to see. Can this be, again, foreshadowing another dip for Bitcoin? Hopefully not. As you can see, we've been treading lightly right here, just barely, holding this one range of literally where we're at right now, or around where we're at right now, 23,520. Seems like 23.5 is somewhat of a resistance. Something's holding Bitcoin back right now, friends. Do you guys think that we could flow maybe to the bottom of this range, maybe around here where we kind of closed around 21,638? Can we venture back down here or maybe break below our range? We're going to have to see. I'm extremely intrigued. I really do feel like something's happening with Bitcoin. She's getting ready for something. And yes, I said it was a she. Is it a he or a she? I'm calling it a she for now. But even how we were talking about, again, there hasn't been a lot of substantial volume in pretty much any direction. So I'm waiting for someone to take charge here, a bull or a bear, and say, hey, man, this is what I think. I'm ready to buy or I'm ready to sell. But I do think, again, a lot of people are accumulating Bitcoin right now. If you've been watching the exchanges, a lot of people have been withdrawing their Bitcoin from exchanges, which gives me an idea of maybe less selling pressure, So we're going to have to see. Again, Choo Choo, thank you so much for your 9 roses. That's so awesome, man. I really do appreciate it. But I really do hope Bitcoin makes a move soon. I hope we could recover, bounce back from this, break above our zesty range, our orange range here, and just moon, have fun, bring the positive sentiment back, friends. How do you guys feel in the chat? Do let me know. You guys are talking about Pigeon Coin in there. I'm freaking dead. All right, we're going to move on to Ethereum. Ethereum is at $1,637.46 today, up 0.26%. So yeah, again, Ethereum literally in the same spot kind of that we were at yesterday. So boring, friends. I want some BAM or I want some BAM. But unfortunately, we have to have patience in this game that we call crypto and just be in here for the long run and not worry about the short term. But again, it is kind of like we want fun stuff. We want Lambo. We want like to see things happen. We want to see people reacting on Twitter. I think a lot of people are really just sitting here and the market sentiment's a little off. Again, even with Ethereum, you don't see any substantial volume in either way. It's just sideways trading. We've been in this range of like mid or low to mid 1600 range for so long now. Again, it makes me feel like maybe it should be another mini range within our range. If Ethereum happens to pop out of this and go back to where our higher close was around, what was it, 1700, then maybe we could see some spice from Ethereum. I'm waiting for some spice. We're, again, not towards the bottom end of our range, which I'm happy about, but I would like to see above $1,700 Ethereum, just like how I would like to see 24K plus Bitcoin. Because again, I feel like 23.5 and 16, this mid 1600 range is a little bit of an issue for Ethereum. Makes me curious, friends. What do you guys think? Again, if you have any thoughts, let me know in the chat. I'm taking a look. Daddy-o, everyone's looking for 100K, man. We all want 100K. I'm hoping that we could get 100K Bitcoin. Daddy-o, 10K. Yes, we got 10,000 subscribers, fam. Very excited about it. But friends, we need to see more spice in the markets, but everything comes in due time. We also have Litecoin. Litecoin is still spicy, believe it or not. I think Litecoin is very spicy where it's at right now, sitting at $95.34, up 1.3%. Even now, you could see Litecoin started to jump up a little bit, I believe before Bitcoin did. So hold on. So Bitcoin started to make its way up, okay, like 8 a.m. here. And then Litecoin, around the same time, started to make moves. Okay. That's so interesting. So Litecoin has been really spicy. Again, I've been talking about Litecoin being pretty spicy, staying in this $90 range. We know that $100 was a psychological level for Litecoin. Let me get this back to where it was. We know that $100 was a psychological level for Litecoin, and it unfortunately couldn't hold above 102. We took a little bit of a dip down, sideways trading for the past 3 days.
You're doing so well. Keep going and you will be at the top.
Thank you so much, Gucci. You're amazing, fam. Hold on, I'm gonna get to you in 1 second. Oh my gosh, I'm so grateful. I can't even contain it. Thank you for Bulldog. You're raining on me with these roses over there. You guys are making me emotional. Again, Litecoin is sitting at $95. I think it's really spicy, even though we've kind of been in this fighting this $95 range back and forth for a little while. Seems like, again, this is kind of like a little tiff point for Litecoin. Just how I feel like there's this 1630 range is a little bit of a tiff point for Ethereum. 23.5 is a little bit of a tiff. I'm calling it a tiff, friends. I'm making my own terminologies out here. This is a little bit of a tiff point for Bitcoin. And yeah, Litecoin's giving me that same vibe with $95. If we break above $95, can there be spice? Can we break above this $102 range? I would like to see it. Or will we trend back down to the bottom of our range and break below that? And if Litecoin breaks below that range, because we tapped under $90 at $89.98. So we're going to have to see. We're going to have to see if Litecoin takes a spicy turn in either direction. Because again, Litecoin is up 1.3% versus Bitcoin, leading Bitcoin, out-leading Ethereum, as you guys could see looking at the side where my little mousey is. Friends, Litecoin, man, really, really spicy. Throughout this pump from November, since this pump from November, Litecoin's kind of been, again, pumping first or taking a dip first before Bitcoin and Ethereum make their moves. Again, not an indicator for the market, a pattern I've been noticing. So if, let's say, again, Litecoin pumps more, will Bitcoin follow? Or if Litecoin takes a dip, will Bitcoin follow? Super, super interested. If you guys are seeing this pattern too, let me know. Ken's Log, you're saying you like Litecoin. I feel you, fam. I really do feel you. That is our market recap. Gucci Khan, thank you so much for your super chat. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate your kind words. I think as a community, if we all stick together, we keep, again, like sharing these streams out and just being here for one another, we will like build. We will build like 10K subscribers. That is just the beginning for us, fam. I'm confident in that. Like, this is just the beginning for all of us. And I really do believe that, again, we stick together as a fam. We get through this. We moon together, regardless of what the crypto market is at. I really do think we could do this. Rick Crypto, nice to see you. And Bulldog, I love that you're giving me like love on like TikTok and YouTube. It just like makes me feel so loved. So thank you. Applesauce Ninja, you sent me 5 flames. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I know I'm trying not to cry today, guys. I'm trying not to cry today. Yesterday, you guys had me in tears, actual tears. And I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. And I really can't even put it into words how grateful I am for this community. Cannonball, welcome to the show. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it. Stevie B, welcome to the show. Nice to see you. All right, friends, we're going to go into the news. I found this really retro Mike blame network bits. You guys were both going crazy yesterday. Block Gambit, nice to see you. Elon Musk, man. I know we talk about Elon Musk a lot on this show, but look at this. He's like launching rockets out here. I'm very interested in space and stuff. You know, we have a lot of stuff going on in the world with aliens and crazy things like that. I mean, aliens. How do you guys feel about aliens? Do you feel like the Earth, like, you know, like how do you feel about the Earth? There's so many, like, I'm like seeing all these crazy videos online about the Earth and things. How do you feel about the Earth in general? Do you think we're okay? Are we flat earthers? I'm just kidding. But, you know, let me know what you guys think is going on. But definitely, I think it's so fascinating. I love watching this type of stuff, just rockets in the air. So shout out to Elon Musk for that. My question to you guys is the NFT boom back? Dun dun dun. You know, you guys know that music. Dun dun dun. Mysterious. Woo, wow, what's happening? Friends, there was a big NFT sale, and this gives me vibes of when we were at the beginning of Bored Ape Yacht Club, or when NFTs started to sell, creators started to get empowered, artists were starting to sell NFTs, and the price just started to creep up until one nice big sale kind of kicked off a little bit of FOMO. Well, maybe FOMO might start kicking in after this sale. There was a winning DOOKEY Dash key sold for $1.6 million. If you guys don't know what DOOKEY Dash is, it is not a game where people are competing to take dookies in a dash. This is a game that is an NFT skill-based game that was released by Bored Ape Yacht Club, parent company Yuga Labs, last month. If you were, I believe, a Bored Ape Yacht Club holder, you were able to mint a pass, and you were able to mint and play the game from there. I believe these are, of course, sellable NFTs. Twitch streamer Kyle Jackson, who is known by his pseudonym Mongrel, sold his winning DOOKEY Dash key for 1,000 ETH, about $1.6 million yesterday. This is a big sale. 1,000 ETH, $1.6 million. We need to see more of this. This is so spicy, friends. This could be the start of people starting to FOMO back into NFTs. This was initially listed the pass at 2,222 ETH, about $3.6 million on OpenSea, and refused smaller but notable offers from the United Planets DAO and user-generated meme site 9GAG. Eventually, he agreed to sell the pass for 1,000 ETH to Adam Weitzman, the CEO of New York-based scrap metal shredding company Upstate Shredding, via OpenSea. Mongrel said that the royalties to Yuga Labs will be paid in full. The DOOKEY Dash game was available to holders of a Sewer Pass NFT, which could be claimed for free by Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club members. Gameplay was open from January 18th to February 15th and raked in 39,676 ETH, about $64 million in total volume so far, according to OpenSea. Sewer Pass holders did not place on the DOOKEY Dash leaderboard, but can still participate in DOOKEY Dash Toad mode until March 1st for additional prizes. Friends, this was so spicy. I think, again, this could be something that indicates some FOMO into NFTs. There's so much FOMO into NFTs. I've been hearing about a bunch of projects that have kind of been stagnant throughout this this build market or bear market. And now they're starting to take off, selling for 20, 40 ETH on the secondary market. Things are happening. Volume is starting to go up. The liquidity, I feel, is flowing back into NFTs, into crypto in general. What's up, Chad? Welcome to the show. Bit Saga, nice to see you. Your bro was a competitive Fortnite gamer. Oh, and got killed by that guy once. Man, I love the gaming community. I want to play more games on the channel. I really do. I miss doing NFT gaming, but there hasn't been anything so spicy for me to be out here streaming, but I want to do more of those. If you guys have any blockchain games to suggest, then definitely let me know. Patrick, nice to see you. Happy that you made it today. Mark Lane, happy that you made it too. I don't think I said hi to you, Mr. S, yet, but nice to see you. That was great news. Happy about this sale with Bored Ape Yacht Club, bringing attention again, bringing headlines back to NFTs, back to gaming. Unfortunately, I don't have the greatest news coming up next. And I put up this tweet this morning to kind of like, I guess it was like a prerequisite to this show. But here's the tweet. Let me actually pull it up. I tweeted earlier, are you still buying Solana? Friends, there has been so many issues with Solana. If you guys want to check out this tweet, then here's the link in the live chat. There's so many issues with Solana, friends. There's still problems with spam and everything like that. But what the actual heck is going on? Solana went down twice over the weekend. One of them was a 20-hour downtime. Are people still investing in Solana? Do people still feel that, frankly, to put it 100%, do people still think Solana is worth investing in? I know a lot of people are Solana maxis, but you cannot deny all of the things that have been going on with Solana. And it makes you not trust the blockchain. Over the weekend, if you had any Solana asset, it was frozen in place. You could not move it. The devs don't even know what happened. Here we go, friends. Here we go. We'll do this one first. Solana developers say reason for network outage is still unclear. Solana developers said Monday the reason for the network-wide outage over the weekend was still unclear, but investigations are ongoing. At approximately 5:46 UTC on the 25th, Solana mainnet beta suffered a significant performance degradation, the developer said, eventually leading the validator community to opt for a restart of the network. The cause of this is still unknown and under active investigation. The problem started as sluggish transaction processing spiraled into a near-complete shutdown of activity on Solana, validators and developers told CoinDesk over the weekend. Users were unable to move any tokens or conduct any transactions during the outage period until a restart by the network's validators, at which point transactions resumed very slowly, though. Market reaction to the halt remained relatively timid. Solana's native token SOL fell from $23.50 to just over $21 on Saturday night. How? I don't know. Meanwhile, Solana Labs co-founder dismissed theories of increased network voting as major cause behind the network outage. And he said that votes aren't counted as transactions. They're implemented as transactions. Because there's no cheaper way to do it. Now, the fact that they don't even know what happened with Solana is an extra scary thing if you're an investor. Now they're complaining that there's spam despite the tech improvements. Despite the efforts by Solana developers to discourage many spammy transactions that could threaten to bog down the network, a majority of the network's compute is still being wasted on failed trades, according to an analysis by crypto infrastructure company Hito Labs. Or is it Jito Labs? Hito and Jito Labs. In one recent epoch, a time period on Solana roughly equivalent to 2.5 days, arbitrage transactions took up to 60% of overall compute space. These transactions were attempted by bots to win slim margins on competitive trades, and 98% of their attempts failed. The result is wasted block space for the network, as well as capital burnt for no reason on losing trades, according to a blog post. It blames this on the way Solana's infrastructure handles submitted transactions. Give priority to the first in line. That creates an incentive for arbitrage bots to submit multiple duplicate transactions in hopes that they get the winner. Recent changes to Solana's backend, particularly the introduction of priority fees and local fees, have changed the economics around spamming, and yet spam transactions will persist as long as MEV opportunities remain. It refers to the methods which people could squeeze as much crypto out of a blockchain network by literally looking at transactions that are incoming. Two popular strategies include winning arbitrage trades and fulfilling liquidation orders. Friends, this is a little scary. Again, they're still complaining that there are spam transactions on the network that they're trying to kind of fight off and say, hey, no, we don't want these transactions. If this is a problem, then what do you do with Solana at that point? I'm a little confused. How does Solana move on from this? How do people trust Solana that they're going to be all right? I don't know. And again, I'm not saying that every project on Solana sucks, I think a lot of great projects are on Solana. I really do. There's a lot of great games on Solana. Unfortunately, they chose a blockchain that doesn't really work. Unfortunately, it does not work. How could you rely on a blockchain like this to run your business when it's going to shut down at any point and there's no control and you can't move anything? I'm not trying to be a hater. I'm not trying to hate on Solana, but you have to be able to rely on a blockchain. Yeah, Olive, I feel you, man. I really do feel you, Olive. White Lodge, nice to see you. I love that you're using your membership emojis. If you guys have membership emojis, then go and use them. Sophisticated, nice to see you. Janix, as an investor in Solana, who trusted it to begin with? It's very centralized for now. It is very centralized, but a lot of people don't even know that, and that's the problem. But I do think that now, obviously, throughout last year and this weekend, you could see that this is not something you could rely on. You have to be able to rely on a blockchain like, I know OmniLite on Litecoin and whatever, but I'm not trying to show Litecoin, but something like that or that literally has the ability to be up. It's the longest running blockchain with 100% uptime, 11 years. You need something like that. Daddy-o, Solana hates on itself. Yeah, a little bit. Again, friends, we need something that we can rely on. We can't keep throwing money into an ecosystem that, again, is kind of failing us at every which way. It's still, again, yeah, I agree, Rick. It's still holding that $20 price point. I'm still not even sure how it's holding that price point. I guess people are scared to trade it. So, again, there's a lot of great games. There's a lot of great things that were built on Solana, but I think, again, we're going to have to probably find other places to do that. I mean, even the biggest communities on Solana have left it. And I'm not trying to say, like, everyone leave Solana, everyone do this. I'm not telling anyone what to do. I'm just saying this is a little bit scary. Speaking, damn, I should have brought this up anyway before. I'll get more positive, I guess. I forgot to throw this in before with Yuga Labs, but Yuga Labs debuted its first NFT collection on Bitcoin. I thought this was pretty interesting. We do know that Bitcoin ordinals, they've been taking some sort of spot in the NFT space. A lot of people don't even have them. A lot of people don't know how to get them, but they're still out there. And Bored Ape Yacht Club put out a collection that featured 3D and hand-drawn elements inscribed into Satoshis. If you guys want to look into that, you could. It comes from a team from Dubai that launched 10,000 Bitcoin Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs featuring monkeys with Satoshi masks on ordinals early this month. The move raises potential copyright issues as they're not affiliated with Yuga Labs' assets based on Ethereum blockchain. So there's going to be some tiffs over here. Really weird stuff going on, but if you guys have looked into any Bitcoin NFTs, then let me know. Whoa, we got Gary Gensler in the chat. Yo, Gary Gensler, so Abuse said that everything besides Bitcoin was a security. So if there are NFTs on Bitcoin, is that a security? Let me know. Let me know how you feel. Kyle Rosa, welcome to the chat. It's nice to see you. Who else do we have? Alucard, nice to see you. Man. Yeah, Solana has been depressing, man. I literally, I can't even. We do have to be careful, though. Thank you for the sub, Dizzy. We have to be careful, though. There was a wallet. Oh, Vito, thanks for the sub. There was a wallet that got hacked. There was an exploit. Algorand wallet, my ALGO, advises users to withdraw funds after $9.6 million exploit. My ALGO, a native wallet for the Algorand blockchain network, has advised users to withdraw funds after it was struck by an exploit last week. Blockchain sleuth Zach XBT said that 19.5 million ALGO and 3.5 million USDC worth $9.6 million have been stolen, and that centralized exchange ChangeNow has frozen $1.5 million. We strongly advise all users to withdraw funds from mnemonic wallets that stored in my ALGO. John Woods, the chief tech officer at the ALGO Foundation, said that 25 wallets have been affected and that the exploit is not the result of an underlying issue with the Algorand protocol or SDK. Woods said that he would post an explainer video once the investigation into the hack concludes. My ALGO said that it doesn't know the root of the cause of the exploit. ALGO took a little bit of a dip, but not in the past day or anything like that. So there was a little bit of spice going on with ALGO. We, like the article referred to, it was recently trading at 25 cents, even, but this was a longer time ago. Hold on. There we go. So 25 cents was around November. Took a little bit of a dip with the market, rebounded, and now we're sitting at like 2.5 cents for ALGO. Oh, 25 cents for ALGO, my bad. So we're sitting at 25 cents right now for ALGO. Surprise, but there's not, if it's not ALGO's fault, then whose fault is it? I would love to know what kind of hack this was, how people could get into a wallet. That would raise a little bit of concerns for the safety of that wallet or ALGO in general. So this is $9.6 million. It's not the biggest exploit we've had in crypto, but it's not the smallest either. So we're going to have to see how this turns out. ALGO still here. Not really too much price action in the past few days. Gary Gensler, what are you doing out here, bruh? What are you doing? Friends, we have Volt Inu. I don't know if you guys have heard of Volt Inu. I've heard of some people talking about it on Twitter, but here we go. Volt Inu releases alpha version of NFT-based focused battle royale game. So we're seeing we're seeing the NFT boom, I think, come back. We're seeing some metaverse action. Crypto project Volt Inu released the first version of its NFT-focused battle royale game, which can now be played on personal computers. Battle royale is one online multiplayer video game genre that blends last man standing gameplay with survival exploration. You know the vibe. We know that Fortnite is an example of this type of gameplay, and Volt Inu's battle royale game is in alpha version 0.10. Alpha means players may encounter bugs while playing. Players can create the servers in the current version and compete against 25 other per server at the same time. Developers told CoinDesk the game was made from scratch by gaming studio Forge 21. They expect the game will be released on the popular game distribution service Steam in the coming weeks. The game will feature Volt Inu NFT collection, Volted Dragon Sailors Club, VDSC, although specifics will be made public in the coming weeks. VDSC is a collection of 10,000 dragons that has a current floor price of 0.5 Ether on NFT marketplace OpenSea. So if you need the 0.5 Ether to play the game, then I feel like that's a little bit of an issue. You're blocking many people out of this game, but I do hope that's not true. And if you just get the NFT, then you get some extra perks involved. We're going to have to see how that one turns out. But I'm happy to see NFT gaming is coming back. I just hope that when NFT gaming comes back fully and Web3 gaming comes back fully, that it's not going to be this huge barrier to entry where if you don't have like more than $800 in your pocket, you can't play a game. Like that's a little crazy to me. We also have some bullish kind of news here. Let's see. There was a metaverse token. So I'm just throwing this in. You do your own research 100%. But there was a gaming token, a metaverse token, Gamium, that surged 340% after Meta and Telefonica partnership announcement. Gamium will work with Meta and Telefonica on the Metaverse Activation Program, an initiative launched to help and scale startups within the Web3 industry, according to an announcement on Monday. Startups will have access to proprietary technologies provided by Meta AI, and they will also be given commercial support by both Meta and Telefonica. This is not the first foray into Web3 for either Meta or Telefonica, and Meta was the parent company of DM, a firm that plans to develop its own cryptocurrency. Telefonica, meanwhile, invested in a Spanish exchange last year and revealed that it enabled crypto purchases. Of course, this coin pumped, something that would be expected. But again, we're seeing some craziness. We're seeing people entering the metaverse again. We're seeing companies make moves. We're seeing liquidity come back into the markets for especially these low cap coins. We even have positivity from even Bank of America, which we know Bank of America, we'll go into that in a little bit. But they said 2023 will be the year of crypto token price divergence. They're saying that cryptocurrencies that power smart contract-enabled blockchain platforms on which developers can build applications as growth assets exposed to the same risks as growth stocks. It notes that these cryptos have led this year's rally. Again, we saw Metaverse pumps. We saw a bunch of NFTs again starting to pump. So Bank of America sees this. Their strategists remain cautious on growth, though, as strong economic data delayed the timing of a recession. But this also indicates the potential for reflation and additional rate hikes. So again, there's some FUD in here. There's some negativity, but they're seeing some growth and, again, liquidity kind of coming back into the cryptoverse. They're also, again, we can't forget that they said CBDCs are the future of money and payments. And they said the potential that central bank digital currencies have the potential to revolutionize global financial systems and may be the most significant technological advancement in the history of money. This is Bank of America. And we know that's not CBDCs. We're talking about Bitcoin here. That has the potential to revolutionize global financial systems and is the most significant technological advancement in the history of money. That is Bitcoin, not CBDCs. I digress. We move on. We also know that even Bank of America, they're starting to enter the metaverse. They're starting to say all this smack, but we can't forget that they also slammed volatile and impractical Bitcoin. This was March 17th of 2021. I don't know why I'm barred from seeing this, but again, they said there was no good reason to own Bitcoin unless you see prices going up. They said it was exceptionally volatile and impractical as of March 17th, 2021. So there's that. Oh my gosh, Mike, you just gifted 10 memberships? Thank you so much. That's crazy, man. Thank you, Mike. Oh my gosh. And you became a member yourself. Wow. That is so awesome, dude. Guys. Oh, Don Manning, you finally made it to a live stream. Well, welcome to the show, fam. Click that button. You could allow a gift to be sent to you, and you'll be able to get all of the Zesty memberships. And if you are a member, drop a Zesty emoji in the chat. We have so many Zesty emojis. Drop them in there. Show them off. Show them off. This is so dope. Crypto Farmer, welcome to the show. Red Panda Mining, smash the like. Let's go. Whoa, Red Panda, nice to see you. Happy you made it, fam. Again, show off your new emojis if you just got your emojis, or if you're just chilling, you're just chilling with your emojis, throw them in there. Wow, I'm so happy. This is crazy. Wow. Thank you guys for coming. I really do appreciate it. Ice God, welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. Crypto Glenn, most blockchain gaming graphics look hard. That 0.5 ETH to play the game isn't going to make it. I'm dead, Glenn. I mean, listen, we're really early. A lot of these people never even made games before, but they're trying to make games now because they're in Web3. So there's a give and take. We're still early. But at least there's really cool things going on. Enzo Mining, nice to see you. Wow, we have so many people here. Red Panda Mining, he is right though. Smash those likes, fam. We have a goal of 100 likes today, so make sure you smash those and share some love to the stream. We could do it. We could do it. Wow, there's so many members coming in. This is crazy. Oh, Don, you became a member too? Thank you so much, Don. I'm emotional. Red Panda, you gave me a super chat, 10 Canadian dollars. Bitcoin to the moon, feeling the zest today. Let's go. We are zesty. This is a 10,000 sub celebration, my friends. Let's go.
Panda get wrecked.
Oh my God, Mike. You're telling Panda to get wrecked. I'm so dead. Thank you for your $2 super chat. You're arguing over super chats again. Let's go.
Bitcoin to the moon, feeling the zest today.
I can't. I literally can't. This is crazy. Red Panda, thank you so much. Mike, again, $10.
Anything Panda can do, I can do better.
Oh my gosh. I literally can't. This is crazy. Thank you so much. Thank you for your $10 super chat, man. I'm going to cry. I'm going to freaking cry again. Wow. Rosa, wow, 10K. I remember under 100. Well, yeah, this is the journey that we're on right now. This is crazy. Wow, I'm overwhelmed again. Yes, this is a Zest Fest right now. Absolute Zest Fest. This is crazy, man. Yesterday I was live for an hour and a half, crying. Wow, I'm so happy. Lee, it's like an auction in here. That's what happens when zesty people argue over super chats. Wow. Yeah, it's a super chat fight, Enzo. 100%. That's so funny. Oh, wow. Okay. We also have a little bit of some stuff going on. Yes, Olive, shots were fired. Garrett Gensler, one super chat fight. I mean, listen, there was one yesterday. There was a little mini one right now. But yeah. Okay. We have a little bit of FUD about blockchain coming from the Bank of England. And we know this is relentless. Oh, wait, Ace Database, you gave me a hands heart. Thank you so much. Much love to you. Hands heart back. I appreciate you, fam. That was a cute little noise that made. Distributed ledger technology is not efficient enough to power CBDCs. We know the UK, they're posting jobs on LinkedIn already, so that you know they got CBDCs covered. You gave me another hands heart? Distributed ledger technology is too clunky to be reliable for a central bank digital currency, a senior Bank of England told lawmakers on Tuesday, pouring cold water on industry claims about the tech that underpins crypto. John Cunliffe, the central bank's deputy governor of financial stability, said that it was now more likely than not that a digital version of the pound would be needed, as he was grilled by the House of Commons Treasury Committee over a recent consultation on the issue. The bank is trying to see how trends in the economy and payments in society and in tech will play out before taking any decision on whether to issue a CBDC, referring to the prospect that payments could be much more deeply integrated into online functions. Friends, this is such freaking FUD over blockchain. We know that the CBDC is already coming out. The UK, my friends, UK CBDC 2020. There was literally, I pull this up all the time. I literally did the googly search with you guys. Okay, we did the googly search together. bankofengland.co.uk, central bank digital currencies. This has been an idea since 2020. The March 2020 CBDC discussion paper outlines an illustrative model of CBDC designed to store value and enable UK payments by households and businesses. They're using a ledger. Obviously, they're going to use some sort of distributed ledger technology, some sort of blockchain. Obviously, it's going to be something centralized and crazy. But again, friends, if you guys don't think that this is FUD and that they don't already have this planned out, I'm sorry, but this has been a thing since March 2020 in the UK. The Bank of England. This has been a thing for a while. Again, this is crazy. Oh, the wrong article. This is crazy. We do know that distributed blockchain is beautiful. It really is. And it can handle a lot. But we know that the Bank of International Settlements is involved. They're running projects there about a synchronization agent that will be able to synchronize not just with the financial sector, but with the land registry, referring to Project Meridian, which is looking to develop an intermediary platform that settles directly in central bank money. We know that there's a lot of project stuff out there. The Bank of International Settlements, there was what was the project that we were talking about the other day? I want to say it was Project Icebreaker. Hold on. BIS. Yes. Wow. How spot on are we, my friends? This is all coordinated. Every single article that you hear about CBDCs, all of this stuff, look deeper into the situation, my friends. Project Icebreaker. And this is the Bank of International Settlements, BIS.org. Project Icebreaker, central banks of Israel, Norway, and Sweden teamed up to explore a retail CBDC for international payments. This is always a global effort. It's always done with multiple nations at one time. Please take note of that. Friends, we have to do our own research. We have to help people realize what we are here for. And that is to be our own bank. Period. Be your own bank. Do your research on every single thing. And yes, not all distributed ledger technologies are blockchains. There's going to be different ways of using this tech, for sure. And of course, it's going to be centralized. It's going to be something that's controlled if it's a CBDC, which is stuff that is starting to be prevented. Friends, we have 71 likes. Let's get to 100. We know that Tom Emmer was putting forward a bill to Tom Emmer CBDC bill. Hold on. I got it. I literally got it for you. Tom Emmer was putting together a bill, proposed it, and it's for a great purpose. And what is it? To get rid of the CBDCs, or not really get rid of them, but to prevent them from overreach. Wow, Crypto Sports, thank you for your roses. That's so sweet. I really do appreciate it. Retro Mike again.
Red Panda Mining says GPU mining is dead.
Is this true, Red Panda? Thank you for your $2 super chat. Is there beef, Red Panda, that I should know about? I wish I knew more about mining. I didn't have to have a mining conversation. Back to what I was saying. Tom Emmer, he introduced the CBDC Anti-Surveillance State Act to halt efforts of unelected bureaucrats in Washington, D.C. from stripping Americans of their right to financial privacy. Ace Database, thank you so much for your crown. I appreciate it. The bill does three things. It prohibits the Fed from issuing a CBDC directly to anyone. It bars the Fed from using a CBDC to implement monetary policy and control the economy, and requires the Fed's CBDC projects to be transparent to Congress and the American people. Because again, any digital version of the dollar must uphold our American values of privacy, individual sovereignty, and free market competitiveness. Anything less opens the door to the development of a dangerous surveillance tool, and that's exactly what CBDCs are. So I'm happy that at least someone is representing us and sticking up for us. It's absolutely insane what's going on right now. And we, again, have to realize why we're here. To be our own bank. To take part in a revolution. And obviously, we say it all the time. Revolutions are not easy. There's going to be a pushback. They're going to fight us and say Bitcoin's trash. Bitcoin is a pet rock. Like Jamie Dimon, dude. Oh, crypto's a pet rock. Tokens are a pet rock. We know that's not true. We know that. Crypto is beautiful. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, it empowers you. It gives you the ability to be your own bank, conduct peer-to-peer payments, to transact whenever you want, to whoever you want, no matter where they are in the world, instantly, permissionlessly, trustlessly. We don't need anybody to tell us no. And that is with Bitcoin. And that is with cryptocurrency. If you're an artist, if you're a musician, if you have items to put out there and show to the world, NFTs allow you to be your own gallery, be your own record label. Jump into this revolution. Share the stream with friends if you need to. Clip it, chop it, send it. We are here to be self-sovereign. We are here to empower one another. There is nothing more American than Bitcoin. There is nothing more American than Bitcoin. Period. Bitcoin represents freedom. Bitcoin represents owning your value. Done. Done, done, and done. Be your own bank. Be your own bank. I could give a sheesh less. A sheesh less, my friends. A sheesh. And I said a sheesh. If right now, number go up, number go down for Bitcoin, I don't care. I don't care. What I care about is the revolution that we are a part of. Of course we're obsessed with the charts. Of course we're going to watch this every day. Because we're nerds. We can't help ourselves. But at the end of the day, you need money that belongs to you. So if Bitcoin takes a dip, who cares? What if the banks take a dip and say, we're not giving you your money back? Just like in all of these other countries, where in Nigeria, in Lebanon, where people are their banks being burnt down to the ground, and people are starving because they don't have money that belongs to them. That is absolutely horrible. It should never happen. But unfortunately, that's the craziest world. That's the crazy world we live in. So at least with Bitcoin, at least with cryptocurrency, at least with having your own wallet and being your own bank, you could be in control of that. And at least you have something that belongs to you. That is why we're here. We're not here to speculate like everyone else in the traditional financial system. We know better than that. We know better than that. Friends, we are spicy. We are one of the zesty groups I've ever seen in the crypto sphere. We are one, again, I'm not lying, we're one of the zestiest groups out there. And you know what? We hit 10,000 subs because we are a zesty group. Because we believe in this revolution. Because we are all here for a reason. Everyone in this chat is from different parts of the world. Different socioeconomic statuses. But none of that matters because we're all here a part of the same revolution. I'm happy that we have such a great community at only 10,000 subs. This is a beautiful community. I believe in it so much. I believe in every single person here so much. It's actually unbelievable. I really do believe as long as we all stick together, as long as we keep telling people about Bitcoin, as long as we spread the word, no matter how small or large it is, do it. Virtual Mike, what's up, dude?
Network bits come at me in the HNT Discord.
Oh, Mike, you're sending a $2 super chat to Beef? Oh, dang. Oh. Wow. Yeah, Geronimo, Gary Gensler, he tried to stifle my growth to 10K subs. It's okay. This Gary Gensler in the chat, I feel like we reached an agreement. Like he likes crypto. He just won't admit it. Network bits, you're beefing in the chat, man. You're beefing. Listen, fam, this was a great show. It really was. And I really do, again, I appreciate every single person that came yesterday, and today, and all of the craziness that went on yesterday. Again, I was highly emotional. I'm extremely, extremely grateful for every single person that's here. Every single person that smashes those likes, gives us a view, shares this stream out, comments after this is over. I don't care. Anything that you do, I really do appreciate. And especially all of the super chats today. Absolutely unbelievable. So thank you guys so much. Wow. Red Panda Mining, it's also good to see you. I don't think you've been in the chat before. B Digi Crypto, pizza emojis. I need pizza, dude. I think I want pizza. Do you guys like pizza? What kind of pizza do you guys like? Throw that in the chat. Because I really do think like plain pizza is good because, especially in New York, I live in New York. You get good pizza here, you don't need a topping. But I do want pizza. My tummy's starting to rumble. Maybe after this, I don't know. Maybe I want to grab a slice or something. Red Panda Mining, Miss Teen, first time viewer and live stream commenter. Wow, thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. Well, I'm happy you're here. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you learned something or whatever. But yeah, I'm happy you're here. I'm happy all the new people that came today and hung out with us. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, Rusty Butt, almost an hour right now. Ken's Log, you like pineapple on pizza? 8boy, you like pineapple on pizza? Are you guys for real? You guys actually eat pineapple on pizza? Retro Mike, Miss Teen Panda has never watched a single one of my videos, but here he is today. It's okay. I'm sure he watched your video. I'm sure. At least I hope he did. Wow. Yeah, you guys are really cool. Calzones are great, Meninja. I love calzones. A good calzone, there's nothing like it, dude. Nothing like it. Yeah. Crypto Farmer, nice to see you. Yeah, I'm not a fan of pineapple either, B-Digi. I'm not gonna, listen, no hate to you pineapple on pizza. Bullduck, you like pineapple on pizza too, bro? Oh, no. I mean, listen, I'm not hating. I feel like it's okay. I just wouldn't. I mean, especially New York pizza, it's no toppings you even need. But pepperoni I enjoy. Red Mining. You've watched almost all of my shorts. Stop. Do you like the shorts? Do you like them? I kind of get a kick out of a lot of the shorts. I'm not gonna lie, I get a kick out of them. I really love filming them. It just gives me and my fam a little bit of a giggle. And we post it because I have my serious content where I'm educational. Then I have this show. Then I have the Miss Teen Crypto show. But I feel like the shorts kind of give a nice light fluffy vibe to the content. I like putting jokes out there. Like being serious is great, but we also have to have personalities out here too, you know? But if you like, give me your feedback, Red Mining. You know, this is all on you, bro. You're the one with the check mark in the chat right now. Gucci Khan, you also watched my shorts. All right, do you like them? Let me know. Mountain Climber, New Yorkers have the biggest heads. I mean, I have a small head compared to most. Like I have a small head. You'll know if you meet me in person. And Joe Harvey, you're here because you trust Chump's recommendation. Cheers. Well, cheers to you, fam. We actually just finished the news. So unfortunately, I don't have any like alpha to drop for you. If you want to rewind, you definitely can. Really good show today. But nice to see you. Welcome. JPEG Jordan, awesome meeting you at the BitBoy meetup. Thanks for the swag. No problem, bro. JPEG Jordan, nice to see you. Man, yeah. Oh, I don't have my book right next to me. I did go to BitBoy's book signing on Friday in the city. That was really awesome. It was really great to see him and, you know, just talk smack. And we went to dinner, like me, him, my sis, the squad. It was like really great. Also, I love BitBoy's wife. Like she is amazing. I don't know if she'll ever see this. I don't know if they'll ever hear this like little clip conversation we're having here. But I definitely do love them. And I think like she's a great person, Ben's wife. So shout out to her. When daily vlogs. You guys do not want to see my daily vlogs. I wake up in the morning and I look like hell. So I mean, if I were to start a vlog, it would probably start from like right before Daily Zest on. But even then, I'm not sure you want to see all like my craziness, what goes on there. John Jermaine, and then there's always In-N-Out. You guys know I love In-N-Out. I have an In-N-Out passion. I cannot wait to go back to In-N-Out. I hope I make it there this year during the year of 2023 because I need to get the new t-shirt. I don't even know what they look like, but I do need to get a new t-shirt from In-N-Out. 2023 In-N-Out t-shirts. Yeah. So you guys want vlogs? Would that have to be like a separate channel, do you think? Like what kind of vlogs would... I don't know how to be a vlogger. I don't know if I have like the audacity to be a vlogger. I don't think my life is that, you know, like zesty. You know what I mean? Like I feel zesty. Like, of course, I'm always doing content. I'm always filming, but my life isn't that like crazy and like, you know, to have all these adventures, you know, every day. So I don't know. It is something I couldn't consider though, vlogs. Do I have the In-N-Out socks? No, they make socks. Enzo, don't mess with me, man. I love In-N-Out. I want the swag. I want all of the swag. What was this? Oh, so John Jermaine, you do like the shorts. Good. Don, thank you for the birthday wishes. I appreciate it. I did turn 20, friends. I turned 20 on the 16th. Crazy stuff. Already 12 days that I'm 20. This is like crazy. I'm in the 20 hood, fam. I'm in the 20 hood. Also, Network Bits. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay. I thought you said something else. Never mind. So there are socks, Enzo. What? All right. Well, I guess I have to look into that. I gotta look into that. Do they sell those at the store? If I like were to pull up to an In-N-Out, can I get that? Oh, 8boy, you're gonna be 21 on the 11th next month. Happy early birthday, man. Remind us when you get closer. Okay. Boom. Friends, this show is sponsored by Market Cypher. Make sure to check out Market Cypher in the chat. I've been hearing like really good reviews from you guys. We have 83 likes. Let's make it to 100. It would be absolutely swell if we can. Yeah. Let's smash those likes. Share this stream out if you can. Gucci, thank you for your kind words. I really do appreciate it. Bulldog, Italian and their food is like religion to them. It literally is. I literally love food. I love food. Can't really disrespect the Italian foods, you know. Around the Blockchain, thank you for joining me on TikTok. What's up, fam? Much love to Around the Blockchain. Freaking love those guys. I need to go to In-N-Out. I'm going to fly to the West Coast today. That would be absolutely amazing. Imagine, like, I'm, like, talking to you guys and, like, by, like, 6 o'clock, I'm like, at In-N-Out in California. That would be so dope. Martin Brown, nice to see you. You traded your Solana for Adam. Solana is getting absolutely wrecked. I don't know how it's still trading in the $20 range. It's just absolutely wild to me. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. 12 more likes until 100. I'm confident we can do that. Thank you guys so much again for joining me today. I know I had a crazy hair day and stuff. Let me keep the Market Cypher hag on because I feel like it's just a swaggy way to end the show. Is that censored? Okay, that's good. MTC to join you in this senior citizen group soon. Gary, don't even mess with me, dude. That's messed up. That's messed up. Thank you guys so much again for joining me today. This was an epic show. And thank you guys again for the epicness of 10,000 subscribers. I'm so eternally grateful. This is only just the beginning for every single one of us. Trust me, fam. We are really all going to make it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have a great day. Tomorrow, I will be back 12 p.m. Eastern and at, I believe, 4 p.m. Eastern. We have a really spicy show booked for tomorrow. Let me just go confirm that that's the time. 4 p.m. Eastern indeed. So get ready tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe. You hit that bell button so you're notified when I go live. And also join my Telegram group as well, because that's a great way to get updates as well. Or my Instagram stories. You know the vibe. But again, guys, I will be back tomorrow, 12 p.m. Eastern and 4 p.m. Eastern with a really, 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 really amazing guest. So thank you guys again for joining me. I highly appreciate every single one of you. I'm grateful for all 10,031 of you. Have a great day. A happy Tuesday. If you guys enjoyed the show, smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends so more people could jump in, learn about all the stuff going on in crypto, and comment after this is over how you feel about Bitcoin, how you feel about 10,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.